Hello and welcome to the beautiful funeral of Donkey Man. He was no donkey and he was no man. He was more of a monkey. I'd like to thank you, Trico, for coming here. It's sad that you're the only one here. I mean, you never even met him, but... Huh? Oh shit, this is a funeral now. I'm here for that guy. Yeah, he's my drug dealer, man. It's chill. We're chilling. You're the one that killed. Okay.
Hey, Trico, can we get some drugs too?
What the hell? What are you?
It's us, Squirrel and Bulbasaur and Charmander. We came back from the dead. We reincarnated again. It's great. Where's Charmander? Oh. Shit.
This doesn't seem relevant to Donkey Man's funeral.
No.